Hey there! Ever wanted to run Android on your PC? Well, today we're doing just that. Let's build it.
So, what if you could run all those mobile apps and games right on your computer?
We're going to make it happen with Android x86 and VirtualBox. It's powerful, and I'll show you how.
Okay, here's the plan. We'll cover prep, making the VM, the install, and one quick fix.
First things first, let's get our stuff ready. You'll need just these three things to start.
All right, pop over to androidx86.org. You'll need to grab the right ISO file for your system.
Okay, with VirtualBox open, the first thing you're going to do is click that New button.
Name it something simple like Android. Then, for type, pick Linux and use the 64-bit version.
For memory, let's go at 2 gigs, that's 2048 megabytes, and it should run pretty smoothly.
Time for the hard disk. Just pick Create a Virtual Hard Disk now and stick with the defaults.
All right, our VM is ready to go. Go ahead and select it, then hit Start. It's going to ask for a startup disk. Just click that little folder icon and find the ISO you downloaded. Okay, this part's important. Use your arrow keys to highlight installation and then just press Enter.
We've got to create a partition for Android, so choose Create/Modify Partitions and just say no to GPT.
All right, inside this tool, you're going to select New, then Primary, and just hit Enter for the size.
Now we need to make this partition bootable, so highlight it and select the bootable option.
Okay, next select Write. It's going to ask you to confirm, so just type Yes and hit Enter.
Once that's done, select Quit. Now you can pick the new partition you just made to install Android.
Time to format. Go ahead and choose ext4 for the file system, and then select Yes to confirm.
You're so close, just say yes to installing the Grub bootloader and also yes to a read-write system. And that's it! Installation is complete. Now let's select Run Android x86 and fire it up.
But wait, what if you reboot and just get a black screen with a command line?
No worries, there's a quick fix. Just shut down the VM, restart, and pick Advanced Options Debug Mode.
Okay, in debug mode, you'll just type a few commands to add no mode set to a file. It's easy.
After one last reboot, you should have a fully working Android system. So, what are you going to do first?